ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್, ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ RCB and KKR got cancelled due to two players from KKR tested COVID positive. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಂತು, CSKಯಲ್ಲಿ 3 people, staff also got tested positive ಅಂತ. There are lot of discussions happening whether to continue IPL or not ಅಂತ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸರ್,
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
Please. Of yesterday's 2 matches,
Yeah.
we would like to discuss about what is currently happening in the IPL so-called bio bubble.
Yeah,
So there are 2 players from KKR team tested COVID positive. That's why today's match has got cancelled.
yes.
And what's happening sir, in that?
So it's a possible breach, I think. So one of the players who went through the hospital, so he just got up with the virus. Don't know how it happened because the guidelines, the security was so tight, and I don't know. There was some lapse which happened,
And
and
all the discussion of the
yes,
our know what is happening.
correct.
And I heard that the player who went for a scanning of some shoulder, got some shoulder injury.
Yes.
He went for a scanning, and when he came back, might be there are some virus attacks. All said and done, this is an important tournament, and all the guidelines are fixed. What is biobubble and what is, so this shouldn't have happened.
Correct.
And also one more news about CSK also.
Yeah, so the CEO has got COVID, and bowling coach Lakshmipati Balaji, even the driver, I think, the driver who has got the COVID. But later on, we came to know that all the 3 have tested negative.
There's a lot of speculation
Yes,
and
that's
discussions
right,
are happening. How they have got positive and suddenly how got their negative.
Correct.
Whatever said and done, the CEO is okay. He also sometimes with the players, but the bowling coach, Yan Balaji, Lakshmipati Balaji, is always with the team members.
That's right, yes.
So then all the players have to be tested again.
Absolutely.
Might be some additional level of test to find out. So those lot of things are, lot of discussions are happening, and people who are completely involved in the IPL setup are now very much scared, worried how this IPL is going to continue now.
Correct, yeah.
Because it started now.
That's
So
right.
far till yesterday there was no nothing was happened such a way, and but today suddenly we saw 5 people tested positive, and later don't know how many will come up again also.
That's right. So that's a fear actually.
Correct.
They have to be very, very careful. You never know. You can't even
Predict.
take all the precautions, but still something happens. This is not good for the tournament.
For the cricket. And there are a lot of mutants and a lot of variants of COVID.
Correct, yeah.
And there is one variant, a couple of people discussed with me and I read in the newspaper and social media. There is one variant which is very strong. Somebody which comes very close contact of that variant, and suddenly they catch the virus, and a lot of other discussions are happening.
That's right.
So it's very not a good news for all the cricket
Yes,
lovers
right.
and all the cricket fraternity.
So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that there are no more cases
Some cases and it will go as per the schedule.
Correct, that's right.
It should go
All
as
we
per
want,
the
yeah. Because this IPL is like a stress buster at this difficult times.
Correct.
And we are all glued to it. We'll forget all the what is happening outside.
Yeah, this is 3 hours or sometimes double header matches like completely changes our mood.
Correct, yeah.
Always hearing negative news and all.
That's right. So something positive is there. And if that also goes up, I don't know what will happen.
Very bad.
That's right.
So, because because of that, all the viewers we are doing little late because today's match got cancelled. So our match analysis of yesterday's match we are doing little leisurely. Otherwise, it is already been posted. So today we are doing little leisurely with our office work and all. So Surendra, yesterday's match we discussed. There were two matches yesterday, double header.
Yeah.
One is in the afternoon and one in the night. So tell us about
Yeah, the first match, RR versus SRH.
RR versus
SRH took a big decision of dropping Warner. I don't know. Only God can help them now. You can't drop such a big player.
The captaincy is okay. He himself
Yes,
told
yes.
that he wanted to step out of the
I
captain.
mean, that's what's
But
dropping him was a grave mistake done by the SRH. And that you could see on the field, like, they were like, not 100%.
But there is one more news, spreading across all the social media that he himself wanted to take rest for one match. Not true, really not true
Yeah.
about, but these are all bits and pieces and ifs and don'ts and all. So I don't know whether he himself wanted to take rest for one match or they have really dropped him.
Yeah, I'm sure management would have spoken to him because dropping a player
No,
stretch
not,
like
not acceptable
Warner.
at all. I mean, he's a world-class bowler.
Yes.
He's already won a title for SRH.
Yeah.
And
So I mean, there must be some
big
talks behind. Yeah. So we never know.
and also I saw holding the bottles and he's become a water boy yesterday. And somebody want to take out from him. He still wanted to keep those. He's a true
He's a team player. Yeah.
team player. He wanted to
Look,
be.
you have to look at his commitment. Right?
Commitment,
He was
yes.
ready to serve the team when he was a 12th man. So
Correct.
hats off to him.
That's of him.
Yeah.
And SRH has got its own problem. On top of that, this Warner problem is also there.
Yes, that's right.
So that RR took an advantage and they won the match.
Yes.
And more importantly, Jose Butler come into
That's
the
right.
play. He played one of his great
That's
runs,
right.
highest run for this season
Correct.
so, with a century.
That's correct. Yeah.
How do you describe his batting?
I mean, no, he was very free flowing, and we didn't see that rigidness or stiffness what we were seeing in the last few matches.
Correct.
So he was playing very freely, and good that all the shots he was playing got connected, and he was in a fine form yesterday.
So at the end, RR won comfortably.
That's right.
So what about second match? The second match also.
Yeah, second match was good, but then they missed Rahul. Rahul was left out due to some.
Now there's one more
appendix.
news which we wanted to tell to the viewers that Rahul yesterday got stomach pain, heavy stomach pain, and got into hospital and came to know that he is suffering for appendicitis. And immediately, the surgery was done. And there are people saying that he will be on rest for 10 days, and after 10 days he will come back to to the matches. I don't know, God only knows how much time he need to recover and all. But as of now, for next 3-4 matches, he will not be available. That is one more bad news that things Punjab teams has got.
So that's right. So Agarwal had to fill in the captaincy for him. He played well for 99. He played 99. But once again, the support we couldn't see from others. So there were no one. We expected Gayle to place good innings.
Indian was failed yesterday. And he was also not coming.
Yes. That's right. So and also sending Nabi at the end, he could have been sending
He sent little up on the order.
Yeah, up the order. They didn't do that. So yes, still they have to come up with the right combination, and they have to calculate. They have to analyze the match situation. Otherwise, I don't see them making it to the playoffs this time.
Tough luck.
Yeah. So very hard with this current situation they are in, and all the management crisis. So don't see them making the playoffs.
Delhi played.
Delhi is like a champion team now. So it's the number one team according to me. Like they are above CSK now.
Correct. So all the batting, bowling, everything they have
That's right.
covered full.
So it wouldn't be a surprise if they win the trophy this time.
Correct. Same what I was on my previous video. The same thing. What the batting depth has, CSK has, or Delhi has, or even some point of time CSK And even Mumbai has.
Yes, yeah.
Pollard, Hardik Pandya. That batting depth RCB doesn't have.
Yeah, RCB
That is
yes,
one,
are depending on 2 or 3 players.
Indian players.
Yeah.
They got out then finished.
Yes, that's a problem. They have to build some Indian players who can.
Correct. A lot of bench.
Yeah, that's right. Bench reserve.
Yes,
They have,
yes.
They have to build that bench strength, especially Indian players.
Correct.
Because-
All other teams are doing that.
That's right. If you see in DC,
Jaiswal,
yeah.
Rajasthan,
That's right. Yeah.
all
Correct. So if you see Mumbai Indians, you see CSK, you see DC players, there are
Ruturaj Gaikwad,
that's right.
CSK.
So there are good Indian players who are they're playing well,
Correct.
and so they play well, and they are not always dependent on their 4 foreign players.
That is one area RCB should immediately
Absolutely.
address that.
Yes, they will particle, but like it's sometimes hot, sometimes you.
They also need some more time,
Yeah.
some more years to.
That's right.
He didn't have that experience of playing international players and all. But he's a good player. Little of some cushion.
Correct. Someone needs to come in the middle order, like to support Maxwell or AB de Villiers.
If they play well, then definitely RCB will win. But once they all 3-4 fail, then it is a difficult.
That's right.
So, and we have to be finger crossed for tomorrow's match. We have an update soon about tomorrow's match and all. So we will come back to again with updates, and if match is happening tomorrow, we will come back to you on tomorrow's analysis. And we all request you to keep supporting us and keep helping us in giving. And please like, share and subscribe this channel. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ.